Welcome class 6. Today we'll start with the chapter fractions. So there are few terms that we need to learn from this chapter, like fraction. A fraction is a quantity that expresses a part of the whole. We have learned this in the junior classes. So there are different types of fractions. Namely, first one is a proper fraction. If the numerator is smaller than the denominator, then we call it as a proper fraction. So here 4 by 7, 4 is smaller than 7. So if the numerator is smaller than the denominator, then it's a proper fraction. So 4 by 7, 3 by 8, 2 by 5, all these are examples of proper fraction. Next is improper fraction. If the numerator is greater than the denominator, so the numerator is greater, 6 is greater than 5, so numerator is greater than denominator, so it's improper fraction. 10 by 7, improper. 23 by 17, improper fraction. So this is the second type, improper fraction. Third one is the mixed fraction. If a fraction which has an integer over here, an integer along with a proper fraction, then it's called a mixed fraction. So here an integer is there along with the proper fraction. So it's called the mixed fraction. So 4, 2 by 3, 5, 3 by 8 are the examples of mixed fraction. Next is like fractions. If we have the denominators of different fractions equal, then we say those fractions are like fractions. So if you have the denominators equal of different fractions, then those fractions are like fractions. Over here 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 7 by 3, all of them have the same denominators, so they are like fractions. Similarly, unlike fractions are those fractions with the different denominators. So here you can see different denominators for different fractions. So all these fractions are unlike fractions. Equivalent fractions are those fractions which have same or equal value. For example, 2 by 3, 4 by 6. If you cancel 4 and 6 by 2, 2 into 2 is 4 and 2 into 3 is 6. So you'll get 2 by 3 itself. So 2 by 3 and 4 by 6, they are equivalent. So these fractions will have the same value if the greater fractions are converted into the lowest term. Similarly, 5 by 8 and 10 by 16. If 5 cancels 10, sorry, if 2 cancels 10 5 times and 2 can cancel 16 8 times. So again you'll get 5 by 8. So 5 by 8 and 10 by 16 both are equivalent fractions. Now let's learn about converting mixed fraction to improper fraction. So example number 1. You have a mixed fraction over here, 4 1 by 5. In order to convert it into improper fraction, what we'll do is we'll multiply 5 with 4. Okay. Then we'll add it with the numerator. Alright. So 5 into 4 is 20 plus 1. Alright. 20 plus 1 is 21. And we write the same denominator. So the denominator is 5. So it remains 5, 5, 5. So 21 by 5 is the required improper fraction. Another example is 8 3 by 4. So 8 and 4 multiplies and gets added with 3. So 8 into 4 plus 3, and we write the same denominator 4. So 8 into 4 plus 3 by 4, that is 8 into 4, 8 4s are 32 plus 3 is 35. So 35 by 4 is the required improper fraction. Converting improper fraction to mixed fraction. So over here 60 by 7 is the given improper fraction. We have to make or convert it into mixed fraction. So here 60 is divided by 7. 7, 8 are 56. So 4 is the remainder. So 8 is the quotient which is written over here as an integer. 4 the remainder goes as the numerator, and 7 the divisor goes as the denominator. So 8 4 by 7 is the required mixed fraction. Similarly, example number 2, 77 by 9 is given. So 77 is divided by 9. 9 eights are 72. So 77 minus 72 is 5, which becomes the remainder. So 8 goes as the quotient, 5 goes as the remainder and 9 goes as the denominator. So 8 5 by 9 is the required mixed fraction.